much, of course, to disrupt our travel plans. It's not here yet. The rest of the day for some is very disappointing. There's some sunshine around, admittedly. Eastern Scotland and Northern England, Northern haven't had a bad start for the day, but there's a swathe of grey, misty stuff from Norfolk through the Midlands to the Bristol area, which probably won't lift and keep temperatures quite low. Now tonight, not surprisingly for December, we'll see a frost return, mostly for northern Britain. Now that in itself is not surprising. Unfortunately, this is when we see the first batch of snow. It comes in through Northern Ireland, where it'll likely stay as rain, runs eastwards, where it'll likely stay as rain, and then fall in the uplands of Scotland, southern uplands as snow, and eventually up into the Highlands as well. So that's part one. Unfortunately, with the frost on the ground, of course, and likely fog, particularly in northeast England, that looks pretty nasty to drive through tomorrow morning. For the rest of us, it's just going to be a grey night, and it'll start that way tomorrow. But travelling in fog and ice before you get to try and get into Scotland across the southern uplands is going to be an unpleasant experience tomorrow morning. As for the snow, it keeps falling, I think, in the high ground of Scotland tomorrow, even briefly maybe in Glasgow and Edinburgh, but it's unlikely to stick. No, it's the higher routes that will notice it. For the rest of the UK, England, Wales and Northern Ireland, expect rain tomorrow. Good day for Christmas shopping, bad day to be outside. And a pretty cold day, to be honest, for most. Some places just creeping above zero. Clearly that's going to be where it's likely to be sleet or snow. We don't have much wind tomorrow, but by the end of tomorrow it swings round to the north and then it really does blast down. So this is the second batch of snow, accompanied by strong winds. On Sunday, through Scotland and probably much of eastern England, particularly late in the day, frequent snow showers will leave a couple of centimetres. That's all we need to write off some roads for a little while. And it will last through Sunday into Sunday night. This is when East Anglia and maybe the southeast of England will see the snow come in. So the chances are that if you've planned journeys on late Sunday or Monday, they may well be disrupted if you're going up the eastern side of England or into Scotland. This is the highest risk of disrupted journeys. There is a slightly lower risk for Northern Ireland and other parts of England and Wales. But the chances are that'll be the last we see of the snow. Unfortunately, should be gone by Christmas. Anna.
Shame. Thank you, Rob.